Exercise 14.3, question number 9th. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and a frequency distribution of number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was found as follows. First, draw a histogram to depict the given information. First part. Here, from this table, we can observe that this data has class interval of varying length. For example, first is from 1 to 4 and second is from 4 to 6. So the width is different for these two data. So we can say that the data has class interval of varying width. So the proportion of the number of surname per two letters interval can be calculated as like this. This is our new table. Here we can see that the length of rectangle can be calculated as frequency divided by width of interval into the proportion of number of surname per two letters. So for the first data, we can see that the length of rectangle will be 6 divided by 3 into 2, which is equal to 4. For second data, frequency is 30, so 30 divided by width of interval, which is 2, divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 30. Similarly, we can calculate for all class interval. Now, by representing number of letters on x-axis and proportion of number of surnames per two letters interval on y-axis and choosing an appropriate scale, let's say 1 unit is equal to 4 surname on y-axis. So considering this and this new table, our histogram can be constructed like this. This is our new histogram, where the number of letters are on x-axis and proportion of number of surnames per 2 letter interval are on y-axis, and the scale is of 4 surname for y-axis. Now solving for the second part. Second part is write the class interval in which the maximum number of surnames lie. So considering this histogram, we can observe that the class interval in which the maximum number of surname lies is 6 to 8, that is this rectangle, as it has maximum number of surname, that is 44. So the class interval in which maximum number of surname lies is 6 to 8, as it has surname in it, that is the maximum for this data.